Trading Nation, let's talk about Apple. Yeah, shares up lately, but still down 25% from their 52-week high. Max Wolff with Manhattan Venture Partners, Rich Ross with Evercore ISI. Max, I wrote in a piece on our Power Lunch website yesterday, I think it was, that maybe investors have what I'm calling version fatigue, 6, 6S, 7, 5E, whatever. It's like Boeing adding a number to a 737. Do you think that Apple is ready to break out or break down or just become kind of dead money from here on out?
So I think that maybe the super growth period is over because they really got a huge kick up and they got a little bit of a bad comp by finally releasing a full-size series of phones with the 6 and the 6 Plus, and it's going to be hard to get the bounce again. That being said, oversold, still a great company, still a cash machine. I agree it's not as exciting as it used to be, and maybe the free press and adulation is
it exciting enough to own?
At this price, I still think it is, yes.
Okay, Rich Ross, let's go now to the technicals of Apple. Does your chart analysis agree with Max saying, yeah, you know what, it's a stock you want to own?
Yeah, Brian, you know it does. I think Apple's a buy here, and if you bring up those charts, I'll show you exactly why. It's really a tale of two charts, as it always is. The first chart we look at is that daily chart. It takes us back about a year. What we see there is a downtrend. Now, we don't love that, but what we do love, Brian, is that false breakdown below $90. The false breakdown gives us a fast move in the opposite direction. That's exactly what we have here, and I think there's room to retest that downtrend, to retest the 200-day moving average up around 107, 109. But, Brian, if we can zoom out quickly and we look at that weekly chart, I think this is where the magic happens for Apple. What we're looking at is the 200-week moving average and the 50-week on this chart. I think the setup is eerily reminiscent of where we were in 2013. Back then, we had a 40% decline, which tested and held the 200-week. We put in that nice double bottom base of support, and we had a fantastic rally off the 200-week. Fast forward to today, Brian, 33% decline, double bottom on the 200-week moving average. I think you could be set up for a similar type surge. I would be a buyer of the stock down here on that 33% pullback to key long-term support.
All right, Rich Ross likes it technically. Max Wolff likes it fundamentally. A positive view on Apple, guys. Thank you very much. Well, for more Trading Nation, you can head to our website, tradingnation.cnbc.com.